Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge question number 48. LeetCode 383 ransom notes. Easy level question, very easy solution. I really don't even want to make this video, but still because I am continuously making the video, so I'm making this video also. In this question, you are given two strings. Here on the left hand side you can see, and you are supposed to return the answer true or false boolean answer. So it's an easy question. You just iterate over the characters of both the strings, keep incrementing and decrementing in the ARR array. If any number is greater than 0, then answer is wrong, and if nothing, answer is true. And this is the space and time complexity. So thank you for watching my videos, and I will post more videos.